Hello viewers, what you're looking at now here is different forms of messages that is filled up in my email inbox. A lot of these messages are coming from brands, affiliate marketers, people I assign their email list. Most of these messages I don't read them. I don't even need them, but they keep coming in tens, in hundreds on daily basis. So, viewer, are you in the same situation with me? Is your inbox as flooded as this? Okay, relax, because in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you are going to take care of these things that is going to clean your inbox, and you will only have all those emails that you desire to see in your inbox. All you have to do is sit back and watch this video from beginning till the end, and you are going to learn how to do these things. Then you will not have to face this same problem again. But before I go into the video, I would like to ask for one favor from you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you derive value from the videos I share here on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you'll be able to receive notifications when I drop new important videos as this one. So guys, let's go into the video. The first thing you have to do is for you to go and open your email in your Chrome, because if you open it in your email app, Gmail app, we will not be able to get all the tabs we will need to do what we are going to do. So you have to open your Chrome and then you click on these 3 dots and put it in desktop site. This particular box here, you just click it to put it on desktop site. So when you have done this, then you have to open gmail.com. So when you open your gmail.com, this is what it will look like. You see, it is having the same layout as your laptop. So from here we have all the tabs or the buttons that we need. So the first method we are going to use here is mute method. Here what you are going to do is very simple. We only going to mute emails coming from those email addresses that we do not want, just like how you mute calls in your phone or you mute WhatsApp messages. So how are we going to do that? You will have to go to the particular email address you don't want. Say for instance, in this email, in this my inbox, I want to mute let's say Team DID. Let's say I want to mute Team DID. So what I have to do is I come to this email message here and I check this box here at the back of the email. Once I check this box, I come to this top right hand corner and click on these 3 dots. This 3 dots is going to give me more options, in which among them I'm going to select mute. Finish. What happened is that email I mute will leave this my inbox and go to all emails. There is something I want to explain to you here. When you mute email from a particular email address, that does not mean you have deleted that email. What it means is that you have sent that email from your inbox to all emails. All emails is just here. Here is all emails. So the emails that are here, they are not deleted, they are just there. So through this way, this is the first way you can clean up the email. Then let's go to the second way. The second way is by archiving the emails. How do you archive emails? So how you can archive emails is, what to do is you can come here and search for the name or the email address of that particular messages or that particular email account that is sending you those emails you don't need. Say for instance, I will search, let's say I search UBA, for instance. Just I used name, but the best thing to do is to use the email address so that it will be exact. So I search for UBA and loading. Yes, these are all I have these are all emails from UBA. So if I want to remove these emails from my inbox through archiving, what I will do is I have to check this box to select all. You see it have already selected all the images here. Then I will have to come to this particular box here with arrow pointing down and click on it. With this, it will archive all the emails, thereby taking them out of my inbox. Now I'll go back to my inbox. So you find out they are not there. This is by archiving the email. And also, archiving your emails does not also mean you have deleted them. They are all in your archives. So, but they are no longer in your inbox. Okay? So in our next step or our next method of cleaning these emails is how to bulk delete all of them. So it is also easy to bulk delete them entirely from your all email, from your archive. It will not be anywhere in your inbox or anywhere in your mail. So what you have to do is, let's say you also search for email address or a word that is contained in that email that you want to delete. For instance, I search for team DID. Okay, then these are emails that are coming from team DID. If I want, I can delete all of them. So how do I do that? I just click here. I select all by checking that box. Then this delete sign, I can click here and delete all. I click here now, I delete all. You see, all the emails are gone. But when you delete an email, they are not totally out of your email. Say for instance, you delete and you want to restore them back, or you want to restore some of them. What you have to do is you go to your trash. When you go to this more and you check trash here, if you check this trash now, all these emails we deleted, look at all of them here, they are here. So here, if you want to delete entirely, you can just click on this empty trash and all of them is gone. Now they are totally gone. You cannot recover them again. So through these ways, these 3 ways I just showed you now, you can keep your email inbox clean and organized. Number 1 is by muting. Number 2 is by archiving them. And number 3 is totally deleting them entirely from your email. So guys, if you drive value in what I just shared with you now, please subscribe to my channel. Drop in the comment section where you're watching me from. And thank you guys, and God bless. See you in my next video.